Hi everybody, and welcome to this exclusive Flipped Normals tutorial. My name is Tyler Smith. I'm a senior environment artist currently working at Sony Sucker Punch here in Seattle. What I wanted to do for this series was do a basic introduction for composition and color in 3D gameplay spaces. It's broken down into 8 chapters within a 2-series procedure. The first series being composition and shape, the second being light and color. Starting with chapter 1 in series 1 with understanding 3D space and looking at how it is portrayed in 2D images throughout history, going through examples of paintings and drawings to see how spaces are portrayed from the Hudson River School, the Golden Age of Illustration, animated film background paintings. Moving to chapter 2, understanding what tools 3D artists have that are available, looking into real-time perspective and how it can be used with simple shapes to look at basic cinematography to create basic compositions with a sense of aesthetic strength. Chapter 3 will be understanding the simplification of shapes, looking at plein air paintings and how to sculpt the equivalent of that in ZBrush and then taking it into Unreal Engine 4 to see how we can take very complicated shapes and break them down into simple silhouettes. And then in the final chapter in Series 1, we look into arranging those different shapes in a 3D space. In the second series, we'll be looking into light and color, starting with chapter 1, which is a basic breakdown of the science and know-how of color and light, both in the real world and in Unreal Engine 4. In the second chapter, we'll be looking at the composition of light and shadow shapes and how it plays a part in constructing your final imagery for your 3D space. In the third chapter, we'll be looking at local color setup and how the impact of local color influences the emotion and overall aesthetic punch of the scene you're trying to deliver. And then in the final chapter, we'll be collecting everything together and tweaking the final light and atmospheric elements, both with the local color, the color of the light, the arrangement of the shapes, and the value, perspective, shape, and color composition to create a final 3D space that is very visually pleasing and also very strong in a sense of directing where the player can go. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started.